Nutella, the creamy, chocolatey hazelnut spread that vanishes from your breakfast table faster than you can blink. But have you ever wondered how this irresistible spread is actually made? It's not just mixing a few ingredients. It's a journey involving the finest hazelnuts, expert roasting, precise grinding, and careful blending of cocoa, sugar, and milk powder. Nutella's path from raw ingredients to the smooth, luscious jar you love is a perfect blend of science, craftsmanship, and passion. Today, we're uncovering every step behind the making of Nutella, how it goes from simple nuts and cocoa beans to that deliciously creamy treat enjoyed worldwide. Get ready to dive into the fascinating process that turns ordinary ingredients into extraordinary flavor. Step 1. Sourcing the finest hazelnuts. Nutella's signature taste starts with the highest quality hazelnuts, primarily sourced from Turkey and Italy, regions known for producing some of the best nuts globally. The hazelnuts must be harvested at peak ripeness to maximize their natural oils and flavor. Farmers carefully monitor the orchards, handpicking only the best nuts while discarding those that don't meet strict quality standards. Once harvested, the nuts undergo thorough cleaning to remove twigs, leaves, dirt, and other debris. This cleaning ensures that only premium, uncontaminated hazelnuts proceed in the production line. The selection process is rigorous because the flavor, texture, and richness of Nutella rely heavily on these nuts. Without top-quality hazelnuts, the final product wouldn't have that creamy, nutty base that millions adore. This first step is foundational, as it sets the stage for the entire spread's rich flavor and smooth consistency. Step 2. Roasting. Roasting the hazelnuts is a crucial step that unlocks their full flavor and aroma. The nuts are placed into large industrial ovens where they are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures. The roasting process is an art. Too much heat will burn the nuts, producing bitterness, while too little will leave them underdeveloped and bland. The goal is to develop a rich, warm, and aromatic profile that forms the backbone of Nutella's distinctive taste. After roasting, the hazelnuts are rapidly cooled to halt further cooking and preserve their optimal texture. Roasting also helps loosen the thin skins, which makes them easier to remove later. This step is key because it transforms the raw, bitter nuts into the fragrant, flavorful ingredients essential for Nutella's signature creamy spread. Step 3. Peeling the hazelnuts. Once roasted, the hazelnuts must have their thin skins removed to ensure a smooth, creamy texture. The skin, if left on, can impart a bitter flavor and create an unwanted graininess in the final spread. To peel the nuts, they are tumbled vigorously between abrasive surfaces or rollers that rub the skins loose. Water jets are then used to wash away the loosened skins and any residual debris. This peeling process requires precision. It must effectively remove all skins while preserving the integrity of the nut meat. The clean, peeled hazelnuts that emerge are ready for grinding. Proper peeling guarantees Nutella's silky smooth consistency and prevents any harsh, bitter flavors from affecting the spread. This step is essential for maintaining the product's creamy mouthfeel. Step 4. Grinding into hazelnut butter. After peeling, the hazelnuts are slowly ground into a smooth paste called hazelnut butter. This grinding process is done carefully to avoid overheating, which could damage the delicate flavor compounds in the nuts. The gradual crushing releases natural oils from the nuts, creating a creamy, velvety texture without any gritty pieces. This hazelnut butter forms the heart of Nutella's rich, nutty flavor. After grinding, the hazelnut butter is combined with sugar, cocoa powder, skimmed milk powder, and a hint of vanilla. Key ingredients that make Nutella so delicious. While the exact recipe remains a secret, the proportions are meticulously balanced to deliver a spreadable, indulgent treat. This step transforms raw nuts into the luxurious base that makes Nutella so unique. Step 5. Mixing and emulsifying. The The hazelnut butter and other ingredients are blended together in large mixing tanks designed to create Nutella's signature creamy texture. Emulsifiers such as lecithin are added during this stage to bind the ingredients together, ensuring the spread remains silky and easy to apply. The mixers operate slowly and at controlled temperatures to prevent overheating, which could affect flavor and texture. This blending process can last several hours, allowing all the components to fully meld into a smooth, luscious spread. The precise control during mixing is vital. It determines the consistency, creaminess, and flavor balance of the final product. This stage combines art and science to ensure every jar of Nutella delivers the same delicious, smooth experience that millions have come to love. Step 6. Quality control. Before packaging, Nutella undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure every jar meets Ferrero's exacting standards. Samples from each production batch are carefully tested for taste, texture, sweetness, and smoothness. The spread must be perfectly balanced, creamy but not greasy, sweet but not overpowering, with a rich hazelnut and chocolate flavor. Any batch that fails to meet these criteria is either reworked or discarded to maintain product consistency. This stringent quality assurance step is critical because it protects Nutella's reputation worldwide. It guarantees that whether you buy your Nutella jar in Italy, the US, or anywhere else, the taste and texture will always be flawless. This final check is the last defense to deliver the high-quality experience customers expect. Step 7. Packaging. Once quality control approves the batch, Nutella is ready for packaging. Specialized machines carefully pour the creamy spread into glass jars or plastic containers, making sure to avoid air bubbles that could reduce freshness or alter texture. Each jar is sealed tightly with protective lids that lock in the flavor and prevent contamination. After sealing, jars are labeled with Nutella's iconic branding and packed into boxes designed to protect the product during shipping and storage. The packaging serves not only to maintain freshness, but also to make the product easy for consumers to handle, store, and enjoy. This step ensures that Nutella arrives in your kitchen tasting as fresh and delicious as it did when it left the factory. Step 8. Distribution. Finally, Nutella jars are boxed, palletized, and loaded onto trucks for distribution around the globe. Ferrero's extensive logistics network ensures that Nutella reaches grocery stores, supermarkets, and consumers worldwide in peak condition. Pallets are carefully wrapped and secured to prevent damage during transit. Whether it's a neighborhood store or a faraway market, Nutella makes its way through this sophisticated distribution chain to delight millions of fans. The entire journey, from orchard to factory to your breakfast table, reflects the care, precision, and passion that go into creating every jar. This global effort guarantees that wherever you are, Nutella's creamy hazelnut magic is always within reach. And that's how Nutella transforms from simple hazelnuts and cocoa into the creamy, irresistible spread you love. Every jar is crafted with care, precision, and passion to deliver a treat that delights millions every day. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Nutella's creation, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing food stories. What's your favorite way to enjoy Nutella? Share it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your delicious ideas.